do a Liebherr 42-100 build. We're nearly there. We are nearly there. We've got a few more pages to do. And there really is not much more to do. We are nearly there. So, same old today. We're going to do some more of it. And then, hopefully, if not on this episode, the next episode, we should be able to finally finish it. And then I'll bring you a little diorama of it. Playing around with his brothers and sisters. Yes, I'm quite looking forward to making that episode. Anyway, let's crack on. As always, I'm your host, Mr. Fonzie. Let us aid. Yeah. Anyway, I digress. Today we got this. The most elaborate one piece I've ever made. Not really. It is for this. It's the most elaborate for this one anyway. It's one that's literally just one piece to stick on. It's the most crackers for this one anyway. This is the staircase. Now, as you can see, extended all the way through here. Red pins all together. Red light grey threes in here going through the bars. Same through here, light grey threes, and red pins holding it all together. Blue pins, dark greys, light greys, blah, there's all lots. Basically, this is build step 911 through to 900 and... Hold on a minute, this one's a lengthy one. 900 and... 938. So it's 911 to 938. 911 to 938. The manuals for this build are linked in the description below. It's completely free. Go check them out. But yes, we're going to attach this ridiculous piece now. And in order to do that, yes, move that up out the way a minute. And it slots. Oh, you can see it or not. There's two holes here and a blue pin there. So you've got two blue pins here. And they then slot in there. There we go. I do apologise, I still am struggling with this chest infection. Despite the doctors giving me these weird torpedo things to eat, I'm still struggling. Anyway, next piece, step 939. Build sticker 12 goes on here. So you know, build sticker 12 is there. You've got white 7 with 2 pins pushing inwards, 2 pins pushing outwards. We're into a curved body panel that slots into under the ladder. Like so. This piece, again, pre-made little jobby whatnots, pre-madeness, yeah, pre-made for the win. I love the old pre-made stuff. So we want put that in the end of there, just like so. That pops in there, and then that goes there like so. So that. it like grade 3? This set of stairs comes up like that. Right, it's kind of got a hinge pin to put here, which we'll build in a moment. That'll fix that first. So indicates the ladder goes up like that. And then this bit, the fencing that goes across there. Hold on. Hold on. Don't like the way that looks. I know the model says it's meant to go that way, but I'm looking at it now and I think it could look a bit better. Let's have a look. What have I got in my many tubs of deliciousness? Got no more pizza, that's for sure. What's attached with these donuts to it? Regular schedule program. Attach some donuts. That looks better. That comes up like that. That comes across, obviously, blocks there. Now, look at the little light section, which is, yeah. Now, when I do the lighting system, obviously this will change to an LED. But I'm looking forward to building the lighting system. That clicks on the side of the ladder. Build step 942. 943. Nope, I haven't, so we need the bits for 943. Oh, yeah. Build bits for 1943. Yeah. 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 Switch you around a little bit. So basically attach these little connectors. So what we're doing now is we're beginning the installation of the hydraulic looking pump gear, simulation hydraulic gear. Right. That's build step 943. Look at here. Burp, 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 burp. Yeah, thought so. I forgot something. I forgot something. Can't we tell I'm not running on much sleep? Right, so next we need these. This is rubbish. This. You're going to back over there again. And then we want these to hook onto one to the blue pin. And then one onto the black pin from the back. 2-hole. There's a camera. Hope you can see it. They're in there. Bear with a moment. Bear with.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
We're back again, folks. We're back. Do apologise about that. There we go. I'd forgotten to make up one of the pieces that required. As always, just shows we're only human. So these clip onto the black pins which are sat here. So now we've got these little bits here, tanned long clips. Need to slot in. They pop on there, and then comes build step 947. Bear with. You just roll it out from the here's one I made earlier. There you go. That's what I made earlier. This is the here's what I made earlier department at its best. Yeah, proper rubber lines. Feel kind of weird to touch, but they're proper flexible holders. You've got black 7 splines in the middle there to extend it out. Sorry, my apologies, they're 11s, not 7s, they're 11s. Next comes the attaching of all this loveliness. We're learning as we go along together. Go ahead, smash your heads together. Oh, this goes in. Yeah, we are learning this together, boys and girls. I haven't done this before, so again, as always, we are learning together. Right, so that goes in. Let's work on one side at a time. There we go. That's clipped in. Sides clipped in, like so. And then we want them to clip in there, like that. and then they clip into there. Push the red pins in. I think we should push some red pins in there, but they're not on the diagram. I've got a quick look and then I will be pushing them in because I believe that's where they need to go. No! No, no, no! No, no! Don't touch me there. That is my no square. No, I was wrong. No, there's not a red piece goes in there. There is something else. But we need to feed these through here. To the side. This is fun. This is difficult. I like it. Difficult puzzle. So feed them round underneath each other like spider legs, kind of like a banana man on an exhaust. Put that like that. Move that out of the way. Spin you round. Hello, damage. Right. So that shortest one goes to the outside. Sounds balmy, but bear with. Bosh. There she is. The beginnings of the hydraulic systems are in. Still got quite a few hydraulic lines to fit yet. So we'll get to that in the next episode. Thanks everyone for watching. It has been a pleasure to entertain you all again. And yes. Little eventful this one, a little eventful. A couple of issues popped up that we quickly remedied. So, gravy. Anyway, see you all next time. Have fun. May the Fonzie be with you all, and as always, let us, yeah. Look after yourselves, folks.